Hello, what's going on, guys? Today I want to show you how to design economically in Etabs. Most of the time I see people doing a mistake of assuming a section in their modeling, and then when they analyze and design those sections, when the section passes, they assume that they have completed the job. But that is not true. In real situations and in real life work, you have to design economically. What this means is you have to design as a minimum cost as possible. As you know, structural engineering, our motto is we need to get a required strength at a minimum cost. So for example, you have a certain load which you assumed a column of let's say 500 millimeter by 500 millimeter, and then you have calculated that load. The thing is, when you calculate that, after calculating your loads and the design of the column passes, you assume that we've completed the things, but maybe that load could have been carried by a column of 300 by 300 millimeter. So what you did is you have increased the section of the column, so that is more concrete, and also because it is a bigger section, it will need a lot of reinforcement to hold it. So you will increase concrete, and you will also have increased reinforcement needed for the structure. So to avoid using that, manually, you have to, after designing, and if your members have passed, you need to reduce those members and then analyze again and then design again. But Etabs have one feature which is a very good and a very powerful feature. So I'll show you here today that you can do analysis and designing of structures economically. How? I'll show you. So I have defined my my columns here and my beams. But for this video, I will only do it for columns, but you can do the same for the beams. So as you can see here, for example, I have a column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns, but this structure, as of right now, it has the column of 500 by 500. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I will let's say take this one and then add a copy of property, and then I will call this column auto. Okay, and just go here and I will set auto select. Now I'll go to concrete and then choose your column that you want to be considered during the design. So what I'm going to do here is either you can select one by one and add it, or you can hold control and then you can select all of them at one time, and then I'm done. So what I'm going to do is press OK. So as you can see here, I have a column auto. Okay, so I can say OK. So right now I can go to select and then object type and then columns, and then select all the columns, and then I will go to assign and then frame and then select property, and then here I have my column auto, so I'll set as column auto and then OK. So what I've done, as you can see here right now, it says I don't know why Etabs sometimes does this, where it's like the words are too small, you cannot see them, but I know how to go about it. Just go to elevations, and any elevation will work. Okay, so as you can see, oh, it didn't work anyway. But my columns now, it is the auto property. So what I've already created load cases. I've already loaded my structure. As you can see here, I have load cases, wind load, and everything. I don't live in an area where we have seismic analysis, but I know how to do them because I studied them during my masters. But on our structures here where I live, we don't design on seismic. So this is my structure. Right now I have completed everything what I need to do. If I want, I could also done this for beams, but I will not do it for beams. I'll just do it for columns because it will take time. You know, when you design by using auto, when the software changes the section, it has to do the analysis again. Okay, so what I need to do is just go to analyze and then run the analysis. Okay, so it will take time, just wait. Okay, warning, horizontal rigid diaphragm connection found between joint at different elevation. Please check. This was because of the stairs. Okay, so I have my analysis ready. I'll just go to design. I won't check anything, and then concrete frame design, and then I have my combinations right here. So concrete frame design, and then start to design. Okay, analysis and design. You see, it's telling that analysis and design section differ for 172 concrete frame. Do you want to re-analysis? Yes. So it will do the analysis again and then change the sections. Okay, this message is because of the stairs. Okay. Okay, so again it will do the design. Okay, so now right now we have a 47 concrete, which is also need to do again. So it will do like this until it completes everything. Okay. Guys, now as you can see, my software has completed, and this one it has chosen the best section according to the loads on the structure. So this way I have designed my structure very economical. If you want, I can check the things, but the video has already been too long already. So this is how you do the designing economical, and you can do this for every member or the beams also, but it took me like 5 minutes to do the analysis for all the columns, so it takes time. So that's why I didn't do for the beams. But the good thing is that it takes time, but you don't need to do anything. The program itself is doing everything. Okay guys, thank you very much. Thank you for watching.